Chrome had a busy week. Here's what actually changed. Chrome's stable channel got a security-only update on August 6th. It patches 41 vulnerabilities, 6 of them critical memory bugs. No new features here, just install it. Source: Chrome releases official. The dev channel jumped to Chrome 153 on August 7th. It's a routine promotion. Nothing user-facing has been detailed yet, but it's the first build after the switch to a 2-week release cadence. Source: Chrome releases official. On Android, some users are seeing a new 2-bar layout. Address bar and back button up top, a new tab button, tabs, and a Gemini shortcut down at the bottom. 9to5 Google spotted it on August 6th. It's an early, limited rollout, not out for everyone yet. One more thing. Manifest v2 extensions lose their Chrome Web Store listings on August 31st. If you're still running an old ad blocker or utility that never moved to Manifest v3, that's your real deadline. It actually stopped running for most people back in Chrome 138, over a year ago. This just removes it from the store. That's This Week in Chrome. Want to know more? The description has links to every article and source, so you can dig in yourself. Subscribe for next week's roundup.